And welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. While one Jamaican failed to lift the Caribbean Premier League title as a player, another celebrated the trophy as a member of the Trinbago Knight Riders backroom staff as the Trinidad and Tobago franchise won the 2020 edition over the St. Lucia Zouks on Thursday. The Trinbago Knight Riders became the first team to win all of their games in a Caribbean Premier League season as they easily brushed aside the St. Lucia Zouks by 8 wickets in the final at the Brian Lara Academy. Having won their previous 11 games, the Knight Riders won the toss and asked the first-time finalists to bat. It did not take long for TKR to find joy, as opener Rakeem Cornwall was bowled by Ali Khan in the second over of the game for 8 with 10 runs on the board. Andre Fletcher then joined Trinidadian Mark Dayal and the two added 6 to 7 runs for the second wicket. The partnership was littered with class, precision and power, with Fletcher being the aggressor as he raced to 39 from 27 deliveries. It was Dayal who went first, dismissed for 29 with the score on 77 for 2. 12 runs later, Fletcher too was walking back at 89 for 3.
Oh, he's done it. Yeah, time for the celebration.
Roston chased 22 and Najibullah Zadran 24, then tried to steady the innings but failed to push on as the Zouks innings came tumbling at 154 all out in 19.1 overs. The Zouks lost their last 8 wickets for 65 runs, of which Jamaican Javel Glenn got only 9. TKR captain Kyron Pollard was the pick of the bowlers with 4 for 22, while Ali Khan and Fawad Ahmed each had 2. A target of 155 could have proven challenging, and it looked even more difficult after TKR lost their first 2 wickets with only 19 runs on the board. But like they have done all season, the T&T franchise found a way to get themselves back into the contest, and that way was built by Lendl Simmons and Darren Bravo. The left-hand, right-hand combination provided contrasting styles, but non-stop entertainment as they built an unbroken 138-run third-wicket partnership. Bravo was particularly brutal on anything short of a length, and not even gamesmanship from Glenn could derail the TKR charge as they got to victory at 157 for 2 in 18.1 overs. Man of the match Simmons was not out on 84 at the end, while Bravo made an unbeaten 58. The win was the first for Jamaican Nikita Miller as a member of the TKR coaching staff, having already won the title with the franchise as a player.